Good morning everyone. I am the last reporter and my topic is all about creative, imaginative, and thought-provoking art activities. So these are basically the integration of all potential art skills. These are children who are able to visualize and render their ideas in a skillful manner that is considered by audience as well delivered visual expression. There is a creative, imaginative, and thought-provoking art activity. These are the integration of potential art skills of the students. There is ilaha bitong ma-express ang ilang mga ang ilang mga feelings, ang ilang feelings and how they are creative. And also there is kining ginaunsa po bitaw sa students on how they deliver the arts that they are make. And then uh, the work may contain symbols that let the artist convey a message or links to history, science, and other personal interests. So diri po is gingon diri na let the artist convey a message or links to history, science, and other personal interest. Dayon, the output from these activities are unique to the creator because it draws from personal experiences, emotions, thoughts, and wishes. Then, so diri, these output are unique. It is because they can express their feelings and their feelings from their personal experiences. And then maka-draw pud sila pamaagi sa ilahang experience, thoughts and emotions. Dayon dayon sa children who are in this category are creative and skillful and is able to do any art activity from any category. So the children who are in this category is mga creative gini sila. And then dali bitaw sila mga create og mga idea bitaw mga creative bitaw o mga creative ug unsay mga madali sila mga create og mga idea ug mga unsa pa yung mga paagi bitaw. And skillful is able to do any art activity from any category. So when we say skillful is kaning kuan kaning kanab to mga bata nga kaning kuan nana sila kaning ability or kanang ka sani kaning ka una sila kaning talent bitaw or kaning na sila kuan nga kaning sanay na sila bitaw kanang sanay na sila na sila ability nga kaning sanay na sila about or na sa skills na about art activities. Dayon ito activities dayon ano to dapat activities o the goal of the art teacher is to take students to reach this level. So ang goal sa usa ka teacher asa kada teacher sa art nga mga teacher is makuha ni sa mga students kani nga mga kategory. Dayon when planning for an art activity, the teacher should carefully consider the students' placement in these areas in order to create an idea flow in art class. So when you planning for an art activity, ikaw nga teacher kinahanglan kinahanglan bitaw nga you must be consider the student placement. Kay laim sad kay di ba nga if magpabuhat kaning art activity nya imong mga students is kaning dili sila comfortable di sila comfortable ana then do you think chadang flow sa imong activity ana di ba dili dayon di ba dili siya kay di man comfortable ang imong mga students. Dayon the intersection of the fine motor and cognitive abilities would be the recommended set of activities and assessment standards for elementary students. So mga elementary students. So ang first is the intersection of the fine motor. So fine motor and cognitive activity. So when we say fine motor is coordination of small muscles and hands, fingers and wrist din, which is need gini siyang activities or mga assessment standards bitaw sa mga kuan sa need din siya sa mga elementary students bitaw o elementary students. Di ba inig create tag art is kaning di ba ginagayus bitaw fingers and hand. So muna siya gamit ni siya sa mga elementary students. Dayon ayun, as they grow older, the expectations in skillful rendering and creativity can be higher, so they can move eventually toward the more creative and thought-provoking art activities. A series of non-presentational abstract works may lead to boredom. Ayan, and minimal improvement of fine motor skills due to lack of challenge and reference. So challenge or reference. If ang bata is kaning nagay bitaw nimo siya as they grow older, mas makuan bitaw mas ma-develop bitaw ang mas ma-develop ang skills nila. And then magiging creative na sila sa kanilang ginagawa, kumbaga lagi mga ginagawa, and then they have a high standard, a high expectations of what we are doing, dayon. High expectations of photorealistic illustrations will be too difficult to students young age and lack of experience, which is not age appropriate. Giving students a very challenging, open-minded task might result to frustration and confusion if they are still learning how to visualize and compose their ideas on paper dayon. On paper dayon. So ang high expectation of photorealistic illustration will be difficult, especially sa mga sa mga young students. It is because dili pa bitaw siya kaning sot sa ilang mga experiences bitaw, kumbaga dili wala pa kay sila gaanong karanasan sa mga gaanong karanasan sa ganyan mga bagay. Tapos it is because they will still learning pa. Kumbaga still visualize pa sila sa kung unsa lagi nagatuon pa sila minana ba. Then ug maghatag kag mga very challenging or open-ended task, especially sa mga young students, is kuan gid sila ma-frustrate gid sila o ma-frustrate og ma-confusion og ma-confusion ma-frustrate gid sila og ma-confusion sa mga bata. Maka-frustrate gid sa mga bata. And then children who are very spontaneous and imaginative can feel inferior if the teacher expects them to render realistic drawings with high resemblance from the reference, which is not appropriate for their age. Kaning mga bata nga mga spontaneous or mga imaginative is they can create an art to an plan using their creativity. Di ba kay namo yung mga bata, di ba nga pagpanganak nila daan is creative na sila. Like for example, the teacher said that they draw an apple. So di ba namo yung mga students nga kaning they love their doing, they love what we are doing. So what they love what they are doing. So namo yung mga bata nga lagi gusto nila kung unsang ilang gihimo. And then they have napoy mga bata nga napoy mga bata nga kaning kuan bitaw kaning maka-drawing sila mga realistic na mga drawings bitaw na dili pa ta siya kaning dili pa ta siya appropriate for their age. Oh. And then kani sila nga mga bata is kaning mo ni sila ang mga spontaneous and mga imaginative nga mga bata. And then take note that creativity is not as age dependent as fine motor skills. Balancing all this is important in creating a well designed and well planned art activity. So take note din nato dahil no nga ang creativity is not is of not at all as age di ay nakadepende niya siya sa kung unsa ka sanay o kasanay sa motor sa motor skills like balancing dayon this is important no important siya kay para nga ma-create kag ma-create ka o maka-design ka og maka-plan ka kung unsa imong buhaton nga mga activities. So maura to. So thank you.